Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I am going to solve exercise problems based on arithmetic progression. Exercise number 5.3. Fourth main. So the example is how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25, so on must be taken to give a sum of 636 is the question. So once again I will repeat the question. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 so on must be taken to give the sum of 636? Solution. Given that, so here A is equal to 9 and D is equal to T2 minus T1, 17 minus 9 is 8, and sum is given, Sn, sum of the AP is equal to 636, but we need to calculate n is equal to how much, because how many terms of an AP 9, 17, 25 so on make a sum of 636 is the question. Therefore we need to calculate n, number of terms of an AP. So we know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula to find sum of n terms of an AP. Now substitute all the values in this formula. Sn is 636. 636 is equal to n, don't know, right as it is, n by 2 into a is 9 plus n, don't know, n minus 1 into d is 8. So 636 is equal to n by 2. 2 is common. Take it outside. 2 into the remaining term 9 here plus n minus 1 into 4. 2 to get cancel each other. 636 is equal to n is equal to 9 plus 4 into n is 4n minus 4 ones are 4. 636 is equal to 9 minus 4, 5. 5 plus 4n. 636 is equal to 5 into n, 5n plus 4 into n, 4n square. Now transfer 636 to the right hand side. It become 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Yes, see here the equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Here a is nothing but 4 and b is nothing but 5 and c is nothing but minus 636. So using factorization method we have to find the factors of n here. So first a into c, 636 into 4. 4 6 are 24, 4 3 are 12, 12 plus 2 14, 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25, 2544. Now find the factors of 2544. The product become 2544 and the sum become 5. Yes. 4 6 are 24, 1 is remainder, it become 14. 4 3 are 12, 2 is remainder, it become 24. 4 6 are 24. Now 6 1 are 6, 0 6 6 are 36. So after this 2 5 are 10, 2 3 are 6, 4 6 are 24, 24 2 are 48. 48 and 53 are the factors of 2544. Yes, here 2544. So the factors are minus 2544. So the factors are plus 53 and minus 48. Because 53 into 48 is 2544 plus 53 minus 48 is plus 5. Therefore the factors are 53 and minus 48. Now 4n square and here 5n is split as 53 minus 48 plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. So rearrange the terms here. 4n square minus 48n plus 53n minus 636 is equal to 0. So in the first two terms 4n is common, take it outside. 4n into n minus 4 1s are 4 2s are 12, n minus 12 plus 53 is common here, take it outside. 53 into n minus 12 because 53 12s are 636 is equal to 0. Now again n minus 12 common, take it outside. N minus 12 into remaining term is 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. So n minus 12 is equal to 0 or 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 12 or 4n is equal to 53 or n is equal to 53 divided by 4. 4n is equal to minus 53, so n is equal to minus 53 divided by 4. So here already we know that n is always a positive integer, n is not a fraction and n is not a negative integer and n is not a decimal number. Therefore we can only consider the positive integer, so n is equal to 12. Hence the number of terms in this AP is 12. And next exercise number 5.3, fifth problem. So the fifth problem is the first term of an AP is 5. First term of an AP is 5 and the last term is 45. Last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So once again I will repeat the question. The first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and common difference is the question. So solution, given that A is equal to 5, Tn is equal to 45 and Sn is equal to 400. Find n and d. N means number of terms in the AP and d means common difference. So we know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus Tn is the formula to find sum of n terms of an AP when the last term is given. So here last term is given, we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus Tn. So substitute all the values in this formula. 400 is equal to n don't know, n by 2 into a is 5 plus Tn is 45. So 400 is equal to n by 2 into 45 plus 5 is 50. 2 1s are 2 25s are. So 400 is equal to 25n. Now 25 moves to left hand side. 400 divided by 25 is equal to n. 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 0. 5 1s are 5 1s are 5, 3 is remainder, 5 6s are 30. So n is equal to 16. Therefore number of terms is 16. And next, using the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, we can calculate the value of d. So Tn is given. Tn is 45 is equal to a is 5 plus n is 16 minus 1 and d common difference don't know, right, as it is. So 45 plus 5 moves to left hand side, become minus 5 is equal to 16 minus 1 is 15d. 45 minus 5 is 40. 40 is equal to 15d. So 40 divided by 15 is equal to d. 5 8s are 40, 5 3s are 15. So 8 divided by 3 is equal to common difference. Hence number of terms is 16 and the common difference is 8 divided by 3. And next exercise number 5.3. Sixth problem. The sixth problem is first term and last term of an AP are 17 and 350. So the first term is 17 and the last term is 350. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? How many terms are there and what is their sum is the question. Solution. So given that first term is given that first and last term of an AP is a is equal to 17 and Tn is equal to 350 and d is equal to 9. Common difference is 9. So we need to calculate sum of n terms of an AP and number of terms of an AP. So here using the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, first we will calculate the value of n because we know Tn, a and d. So substitute Tn, a and d in this formula. So Tn is 350 is equal to a is 17 plus n don't know, right, as it is, n minus 1 into d is 9. So transfer 17 to the left hand side, it becomes 350 minus 17 is equal to n minus 1 into 9. 350 minus 17 is 333 is equal to n minus 1 into 9. Now 9 moves to left hand side, become division. 333 divided by 9 is equal to n minus 1. 9 1s are 9 3s are 27, 6 is remainder, it becomes 63, 9 7s are 63. So 37 is equal to n minus 1. Now minus 1 moves to left hand side, become plus 1 is equal to n. So 37 plus 1 is 38 is equal to n. So number of terms in an AP is 38. N is equal to 38. And now we can calculate Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus Tn. It is the formula 2 point sum of n terms of an AP when the last term is given. So in this problem last term is given, so we can use formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus Tn. Now substitute all the values in this formula. Sn don't know. Sn is equal to n is 38 by 2 into a plus Tn is 350. So a is also given. A is 17. So Sn is equal to 2 1s are 2 19s are. Sn is equal to 19 into 350 plus 17 is 367. So Sn is equal to 19 7s are 133. Thirteen is a remainder. 19 6 is 114. 114 plus 13 is 127. So 12 is remainder. 19 3 is the 57. 57 plus 12 is 69. Therefore Sn is equal to 6973. So number of terms is 38 and sum of n terms of an AP is 6973. Hence n is equal to 38 and Sn is equal to 6973. And next exercise number 5.3, seventh problem. And the seventh problem is find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So once again I will repeat the question. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. Solution. So n is equal to 22 because in this AP total number of terms are 22 and the common difference is 7 and 22nd term is nothing but it is last term. T is 22 or Tn is equal to 149. And we need to calculate Sn or S22. Sum of first 22 terms of an AP. So here we don't know A. We don't know the first term. Using the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, we can calculate the value of A. So we know T22 and n and D. Substitute all the values in this formula. T22 is equal to A don't know plus 22 minus 1 into D is 7. So T22 is 149. 149 is equal to A plus 22 minus 1, 21 into 7. So 149 is equal to A plus 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 147. Now 147 moves to left hand side. 149 minus 147 is equal to A. 149 minus 147 is 2. So A is equal to 2. Now we can find sum of 22 terms of an AP. That is the Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus Tn is the formula. Because in this example last term is given. See here, last term is given. Therefore we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus Tn. But n is given. S22 is equal to 22 by 2 into A is don't know. Sorry, A is there. A is equal to 2 plus Tn is 149. 2 1s are 2 11s are. So S22 is equal to 11 into bracket 149 plus 2 is 151. So S22 is equal to 11 1s are 11. So 1 is remainder. 11 5s are 55 plus 1 is 56. 5 is carry. 11 1s are 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. Therefore S22 is equal to 1661. Hence the first term is 2 and sum of first 22 terms of an AP is 1661. And next exercise number 5.3, 8th problem. So the 8th problem is find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP, that is S51 is equal to how much? Whose second term and third terms are second term and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. T4 is equal to 14 and T3 is equal to 18. So once again I will repeat the question. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So solution, given that second term is given T2 is equal to 14 and the third term is given T3 is equal to 18, and here we need to calculate sum of first 51 terms of an AP. So T2 is nothing but A plus D is equal to 14, and T3 is nothing but A plus 2D is equal to 18. Now transfer D to the right hand side, it become A is equal to 14 minus D, called equation number 1, and it is called equation number 2. Put A value in equation number 2. Put A value in equation number 2. So the equation number 2 become, A means what? 14 minus D. So 14 minus D plus 2D is equal to 18. So 14 moves to right hand side, it become minus D plus 2D is equal to 18 minus 14, and minus D plus 2D is plus D is equal to 18 minus 14 is 4, D is equal to 4. Now substitute D value in equation number 1. So the equation number 1 become A is equal to 14 minus 4. So A is equal to 10. Now A is equal to 10. So we need to calculate sum of 51 terms of an AP. That is nothing but S51 is equal to how much? So here N is equal to 51. The formula is Sn is equal to N by 2 2A plus N minus 1 into D is the formula to find sum of first 51 terms of an AP. So substitute all the values in this formula. S51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 2 into A is 10 plus 51 minus 1 into D is 4. So S51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 2 tens are 20 plus 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. So S51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 20 plus 54 is 200. So now S51 is equal to 54 is 200. So 51 by 2, 200 plus 20 is 220. 2 ones are 2 11s are. So S51 is equal to 51 into 110. So S51 is equal to 51 ones are 51, 5 is carry, 51 ones are 51 plus 5 is 56, and 1 0 is there 0. So S51 is equal to 5610 is the sum of first 51 terms of an AP.